What up, sweet gang? It's your girl Rochelle in the building, and today I'm coming to bring you another great video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create infused cracked grapes. If you are new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and leave a comment in the comment section below, letting me know how you enjoyed this video. Here I have my grapes. You're going to need a half cup of water, a half cup of light corn syrup, 2 cups of granulated sugar, food coloring of your choice, some flavoring to go into your mixture. This is a lime flavor to go along with the absolute lime liquor right into your mixture. You're going to need some sticks for your grapes, and you can't forget the Jolly Ranchers. You're going to need some paper towel along with a Candied thermometer, a food processor, or a blender to blend your Jolly Ranchers. Now let's get into the video. Here I have my grapes into a bowl. You want to soak your grapes with the liquor. You can use a shot or 2 shots long as you soak your grapes. And once you do that, make sure you cover them up and taking some gloves, and you just want to swivel and swish around your grapes into that liquor so that it can be completely coated, and then put away to sit for 2 to 3 hours. All right. Now you're going to take our grapes and make sure you dry them completely. They need to be completely dry, and you can insert your sticks right into your grapes and let them sit out until your mixture is complete. You want to make sure you use long sticks so that you'll be able to dip them into your mixture and not have your fingers burnt off. So make sure your sticks are long, you guys, so you don't have any burns on your fingertips. That's important. So here we have our Jolly Ranchers. You want to unwrap them and make sure that your Jolly Ranchers stay dry and not wet. It will be difficult to blend your Jolly Ranchers into your blender if they are wet. So I'm using between 30 to 36 of these Jolly Ranchers, and they're going to go right into my little food processor that I have here, which you can find on Amazon. A great find and great for these Jolly Ranchers. So we're going to go ahead and take our top off and put our Jolly Ranchers right into the blender here. Now we're going to put our top on, and you want to do a few pulsated spins with these Jolly Ranchers and get to mixing them up so they can break down evenly. Now we're going to remove our top and check out our mix here. Now see here, you have your Jolly Ranchers. They're a little bit thick and a little bit large in size, but you don't want that. You want to break them down to a much finer crumble so that they'll be able to coat your Jolly cracked grapes, your grapes, evenly. All right, so here we have the crumble of your candy mixture, or Jolly Ranchers, not mixture. And this is the end result of how you want your Jolly Ranchers to turn out to be. Now let's make our mixture. Let's add our half cup of water, our half cup of light corn syrup, now we're going to add our 2 cups of granulated sugar, and we're going to mix and combine this well. This particular recipe will cover at least 50 to 60 grapes. So we're going to insert our candy thermometer. Make sure you clip it on the side. Don't let it touch the bottom of the pot or it will give off a false reading, you guys. So make sure that you just insert your candy thermometer right into the mixture so that you can get and receive a good reading. As your mixture cooks, you want to then add in your liquor and add in your flavor. You want to let this cook to 280 to 80 degrees, and you want to add in about 2 tablespoons of your liquor. Being that you're adding in this liquid, you want to let your mixture cook and remove at 300 degrees. Now I'm adding in the flavor, and you want to add in the full dram to this recipe. Okay? Once that has cooked to 300 degrees, remove your thermometer, and you want to place it in a cup so that you can get that candy mixture off of there. And now we're going to add our color. Add in 4 drops of white gel food coloring, and you want to mix that in. Adding in the white will help give you a lighter tone color. So the color I'm trying to achieve is a teal color. With using this sky blue, I want to add in 3 to 4 drops of the blue to create the light teal color that I'm looking for. And you want to mix that very well until all of the gel food color is equally combined. Now here we have our teal color, the color I was looking for. Taking your grape and dipping it right in, scraping off a little bit, and add it right into your Jolly mix, your Jolly Rancher mix, and dip and add it right to your Jolly mixture dip. I like to cover my grape, I like to coat it fully, or you can cover halfway. It's totally up to you, whatever you prefer. But make sure that it's coated well, and then you can dip right into your Jolly Rancher mix. Now, once your mix is in the bowl, if it sits a little while and it gets hard, just break it up either with a spoon or run your hand through it, or you can put it back into your mixer and break it up just a little bit so that it can break up that hardness as it sits. And there you have it, you guys. Our infused, cracked, or candied grapes. If you have enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section below, letting me know how you enjoyed this video. This has been a great video, and I hope you love it. Once again, subscribe, and make sure you stay connected with your girl Ro. And you already know it's your girl Ro about to go, and I'll see you all in the next video.